First, we should know the 5 styles of Chinese scripts. Chinese scripts are generally divided into 5 styles. They are the seal form, 篆书, the official form, 隶书, the cursive form, 草书, the regular form, 楷书, and the running form, 行书.
With the seal form, you can see soft lines of strokes and upright rectangular shapes, keeping the seal form characters close to pictography. Each of the characters has a balanced and symmetrical pattern.
The official form was the turning point in the evolution of Chinese scripts and is the foundation of the later script forms. It turned the remaining curved and round strokes of the seal form into linear and flat square shapes.
The cursive form is smooth and lively with strokes flowing and characters linking together. The characters are often joined with the last stroke of one merging into the initial stroke of the next. It is executed freely and rapidly so that parts of the characters appear exaggerated.
The regular form is still today's standard writing. It is square in form and non-cursive in strokes. It has different sizes, like larger regular form, always more than 5 centimeters. Smaller regular form, smaller than 2 centimeters. We have a medium regular form that's between them.
The running form is somewhere between the regular and the cursive forms, allowing simpler and faster writing. It contains the running regular form
行楷
and the running cursive form
行草
Today, the most used forms are the regular script and the running script. The cursive script is often applied in the creative works of Chinese calligraphy.
Now let's introduce the 4 tools necessary for Chinese calligraphy. That's about 4 treasures of the study, 文房四宝. Chinese brush, ink, paper, and ink stamp are necessary tools and materials for writing and painting, and have always been named collectively as the 4 treasures of the study.
It is widely accepted that the best of each of these items is represented by the hu brush,
湖笔,
hui ink stick,
徽墨,
xuan paper,
宣纸,
and the duan ink slab,
端砚,
all being highly valued in both China and abroad.
Classical scholars had more than just the 4 treasures in their studies. The other treasures include the brush holder, 笔架, brush hanger, 笔挂, paper weights, 正纸, the brush rinsing pot, 笔洗, and the seal, 涂章, and seal ink, 印泥.
So, if I want to learn calligraphy, do you have any suggestions for me?
Okay, well, if you want to learn calligraphy, you must learn how to use a Chinese brush. Then, for you beginners, you should start by copying the regular script. There have been many famous calligraphers, such as Wang Xizhi, Ou Yangxun, Yan Zhenqing, Liu Gongquan, and Zhao Mengfu, to name but a few.
Wang Xizhi in the Eastern Jin Dynasty was traditionally referred to as the sage of Chinese calligraphy.
We call him Su Sheng. Among his works, those in the running style are recognized as his best, demonstrating the vigor and fluency of his style.
None of his original works remain today. Some of his best writings have been preserved on carved stone tablets. Some stone rubbings have been taken from them and reproduced and reprinted widely and studied by generations of students, used as models to learn and practice.
For example, in the preface of the Lanting collection of calligraphy, we call it 兰亭集序. He described a summer outing at a place called Lanting. This work is considered the greatest masterpiece of Chinese calligraphy in history.